You've got this 4000 bucks MacBook, sleek, powerful, and yet it struggles to run games. Meanwhile, your body's $800 Asus laptop is running games like it's nothing. Seriously, what is happening? Apple's M-series chips look great on paper, fast CPUs and powerful GPUs that can compete with Nvidia's RTX cards. So why does your MacBook turn into a brick when you try to play Cyberpunk on Mac settings? The problem is the ARM architecture, which helped Apple develop laptops that can live up to 24 hours without charging. Apple's M-series chips are based on ARM, a different kind of architecture compared to the x86 chips from Intel or AMD that most gaming PCs use. Most games are built for x86 architecture and designed to run on DirectX, which is a graphics API that basically allows you to draw shapes and objects on your screen. Apple uses its own version of this graphics API, which is Metal. But here's the thing, Metal doesn't work with every game. Many games are coded for DirectX, so when you try playing them on your Mac, it gets laggy and problematic. You basically have to convert DirectX instructions to Metal instructions, which obviously hampers performance. Besides that, developers want to reach the largest audience possible, and normal PCs with x86 architecture make up a much bigger part of the market. So, while it would be great for them to rewrite their games for Metal, most developers don't think it's worth the extra effort. But here's a good thing, there are actually a couple of games which have a dedicated version for Mac, and these games run butter smooth. So Mac can run games, but unfortunately games cannot run on Mac.